Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send automated emails in Pipedrive. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up Pipedrive and sign into your account. Now once you sign into your account, click onto your account name on the top right hand corner and click on Tools and Apps. Now inside of here, click on the green Automation tab on the top right, and then from here we want to go ahead and choose an event trigger. Now from here to the right, we want to select an item. So go ahead and choose deal. And then we want to make sure this is selected to updated. And then we want to select the specific conditions that should start the automation. For example, you could create an automation that starts when a deal moves to a specific pipeline stage. So I'm going to select deal pipeline stage and then click on apply trigger. Then from here, we want to add an email action. So go ahead and click on the next step. And then to the right here, we want to click on take an action, so send emails, and then choose whether the email should be sent to the person linked to the deal or another available recipient. So I want to scroll down and click on send email. From here, we want to go ahead and choose the deal. So deal contacted person email, I'm going to select. From here, sender account, I'm going to use mine, but we've got other options here too. We can use a template if you've got any templates saved, or we can go ahead and compose one. So you want to go ahead and write the automated email. So for example, you want to put in an email subject, a body. We can also have track email, track link, and use email signature if you got one. So I'm just going to fill this out for this demonstration. So I'm going to say thanks for your inquiry, and then we can say something along the lines of, hi, person's names, thanks for getting in touch. We received your inquiry and we'll be in contact with you shortly. Regards, your sales team. I want to track the email opening and click on apply action, and you can see it getting added in here. We can add more conditions if needed as well. So you can add in additional conditions before sending the email. For example, we can put in, if we click on the plus, add a step, we can choose, we can control what's going to happen next based on whether a condition is met. For example, you can have deal updated, deal stage is proposal, send email. So this prevents the email from being sent for every deal updated. Now from here to activate it, we want to go ahead and click on save. From here, we can give this a name. So name it, put a description in, and also we need to choose who this automation runs for. So we've got all users or selected users. I'm going to go ahead and click on all users, click save, and now that automation is activated.